Background and history. Lunar exploration imperative, setting the stage for human return. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 is rooted in the imperative to rekindle human exploration beyond Earth, with a specific focus on returning to the Moon. 2. The historical context surrounding the directive underscores the strategic importance of lunar exploration in broader space exploration goals. Space policy evolution, the development of lunar-centric policies. 1. The evolution of space policies leading to Space Policy Directive-1 reflects changing priorities and strategic shifts in the United States' approach to space exploration. 2. Understanding the historical progression provides insights into the factors influencing the directive's formulation. Global space race, navigating competition and collaboration. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 is influenced by the global context of space exploration, balancing competition and collaboration among spacefaring nations. 2. The directive's historical background includes considerations of the geopolitical landscape shaping lunar exploration policies. Historical impact. Lunar exploration revitalization, a paradigm shift in space goals. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 marks a paradigm shift by prioritizing the revitalization of lunar exploration as a key stepping stone for future human space endeavors. 2. The impact of the directive extends beyond individual missions, influencing the broader direction of space exploration. Artemis Program Genesis, birth of the Lunar Exploration Initiative. 1. The Artemis program, initiated as a result of Space Policy Directive-1, represents a significant milestone in the directive's historical impact. 2. Understanding the genesis of Artemis provides a comprehensive view of the program's alignment with the directive's objectives. Technological milestones. SLS and Orion development, advancements in launch and crew systems. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 propels the development of the Space Launch System, SLS, and Orion spacecraft, showcasing technological advancements in launch capabilities and crew transportation. 2. Technological milestones in SLS and Orion are integral to achieving the directive's objectives for lunar exploration. Lunar Gateway Architecture, establishing a lunar outpost. 1. The directive contributes to the development of the Lunar Gateway, an architecture designed to support sustained human presence on and around the Moon. 2. Technological advancements in the Lunar Gateway represent a crucial component of the directive's broader lunar exploration strategy. Challenges and risks. Budgetary allocation, navigating financial constraints in lunar exploration. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 faces challenges related to budgetary allocations, requiring strategic financial management to support ambitious lunar exploration goals. 2. Balancing financial considerations is a continuous challenge in realizing the objectives outlined in the directive. Technical and logistical hurdles, overcoming complexities in lunar missions. 1. The directive encounters technical and logistical challenges in planning and executing complex lunar missions, including aspects of landing, habitat construction, and resource utilization. 2. Overcoming these hurdles is essential for ensuring the success and sustainability of human lunar exploration. Future prospects. Lunar sustainability goals, setting the stage for long-term human presence. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 establishes a foundation for future lunar sustainability goals, envisioning a long-term human presence on the Moon. 2. The directive's impact on shaping the future trajectory of lunar exploration aligns with broader goals of sustainable space activities. Artemis program expansion, extending human exploration beyond the Moon. 1. The success of the Artemis program, guided by Space Policy Directive-1, sets the stage for extending human exploration to destinations beyond the Moon. 2. Future prospects include the potential expansion of human activities to Mars and other celestial bodies, Controversies and debates. International collaboration, balancing partnerships and competition. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 triggers debates on the balance between international collaboration and competition in lunar exploration. 2. Navigating discussions around international partnerships is integral to the directive's implementation and success. Mission timeline adjustments, addressing shifts in lunar mission schedules. 1. The directive faces controversies related to adjustments in mission timelines, prompting discussions on the feasibility and prioritization of specific lunar exploration goals. 2. Addressing timeline debates is crucial for maintaining momentum and public support for lunar exploration efforts. Additional information. Lunar heritage preservation, balancing exploration with preservation. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 incorporates considerations for preserving lunar heritage and historic sites, emphasizing responsible exploration practices. 2. The commitment to lunar heritage preservation reflects the directive's holistic approach to lunar exploration. Public engagement initiatives, fostering public interest and support. 1. Initiatives under Space Policy Directive-1 aim to engage the public, fostering interest, awareness, and support for lunar exploration endeavors. 2. Public engagement contributes to the directive's success by garnering widespread enthusiasm for space exploration. Fun facts. Lunar trivia, discovering interesting lunar facts. 1. Dive into lunar trivia associated with Space Policy Directive-1, uncovering fascinating and lesser-known aspects of the Moon and lunar exploration. 2. Lunar trivia adds an engaging and entertaining dimension to the narrative of human return to the Moon. Dark side. Ethical considerations, balancing human aspirations with ethical principles. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 grapples with ethical considerations related to the potential impact of human activities on the Moon and its environment. 2. Addressing ethical dilemmas is essential for upholding responsible and sustainable lunar exploration practices. Space debris management, mitigating risks in lunar orbit. 1. The directive necessitates strategies for managing space debris in lunar orbit, addressing concerns about the sustainability and safety of lunar exploration activities. 2. Space debris management is a critical aspect of ensuring the long-term viability of lunar exploration efforts. Lunar governance challenges, navigating governance issues in space activities. 1. Space Policy Directive-1 brings attention to governance challenges associated with human activities on the Moon, prompting discussions on regulatory frameworks and international cooperation. 2. Addressing governance challenges is crucial for fostering a cooperative and inclusive lunar exploration environment.